Just a very quick update on what I was planning to do, which was to raise all this up. I did it yesterday. I pulled everything apart and raised it up, but the problem was that the start gate ended up being right up here, like right up there, and as you can see, I'm running out of ceiling space here, and as we got down to here, the camera would have grabbed this aircon, so we can't have that. Excuse me. So what I have done is I've lowered this all the way down, and then I've lowered this all the way down, and obviously this has to be lower. Now the problem is, I think someone said, oh, why can't I lower the bottom? Well, I can't, this can't go any lower, okay? It is better. I'm still not 100% happy with it. Let's just throw a car down. This is the Holden. Oh, I don't know what's happened there. I tell you what, there's a lot of problems with running 4 lanes. There's a hell of a lot of problems, and it's not my 3D printed parts. It's this Hot Wheels track. Man, it's just, oh, what a fickly thing to play with. Okay, try it again. There we go. Yeah, so that pace is pretty good. It's not bad. I still would like it a bit quicker. I think what I'm going to have to do is, I think I'm trying to be over adventurous here and have a really long track, which I don't think I can do. So I'm going to have to shorten it just a little bit, and hopefully just get a bit more speed out of the thing. Because yet again, I'm just out of room. This is a really low ceiling in here, and there's not much I can do with it. You know, with trying to get up high and have, you know, 3 bank turns. I don't think that's going to happen. And there was a crossover here I wanted to have also, but it's just not enough pace for the slower cars. Let me grab something like, oh, that one's useless. Let me grab this one. I think this one goes all right. Yeah, he's good. And that's an excellent pace, but you get something slower. So like, here's a Ford. Sorry to all the Ford people out there, but this is pig slow. And he's obviously hit this this side here, and it's got to do with this track. I mean, look, once it's all locked in, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's what a problem this 4-lane Hot Wheels track is. I'm definitely going to stick with the 4-laner. Anyway, so that's that. Let's try another hold. What's this? Ford. Let's try another Ford. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. I just think if I shorten this track a little bit, we just might have a bit more push, a bit more sort of, I don't know, a bit more attitude with the cars coming through. I don't mind them being a bit slow, but I don't want them to crawl past. It's going to look crap on camera. So anyway, this is where I'm at. I know we've got tournaments lined up from here to Timbuktu, but until this is sorted, you know, we're not going to do anything. So what I think I'll do is, I'll bring this corner maybe to here. And I may even have to get rid of this. I don't want to. May just have to be, you know, just a straight into this turn, straight down to there, straight into a turn, and maybe have a chicane here, because we might have a bit of more late speed here. I don't know. Anyway, food for thought. Just a quick vid. I hope I'm not boring you with these videos. I know they're all the same sort of videos, but if you're building a track, it's not easy. Not at this level anyway. When I built my first track, man, I don't know how many builds. It took me 15 goes, I think, to get it right, and we ended up racing on that for a year. I want to do the same with this thing. I want it to be set up, and I don't want to touch it for 12 months. I just want to race on the thing, just have fun. So, look, I could quite easily just go with this right now, and, you know, it'll probably be all right, but I won't be happy in here racing all these cars, and we have a lot of cars to race. Seriously, I must have about 1,000 cars sitting here that have been sitting here for almost 2 years. That's how far behind we are. So I want this to be the best it can possibly be, and that's why I'm taking my time and not rushing it and then having to pull it down. I think a shorter track will get us there. I really do. I think I was a bit too adventurous trying to make this big 4-lane, you know, glorious racetrack. Anyway, it's all good. I've rattled on. I shall catch you later. Now, where's that Holden? Let's give him another crack and see how he goes. The mighty Holden. This one's got suspension in it. He's rather slow though. But he's going all right. Yeah, it's slow for me. Okay, catch you later, guys.